to supplement the typical precautions used to prevent the spread of COVID-19, like social distancing, hand washing, and wearing face masks. Many national and international agencies recommend the screening for body temperature. This works by checking people at an entry point, detecting an elevated temperature that can indicate a fever, one symptom of COVID-19 or other infectious diseases. To increase the throughput of visitors, some people look towards thermal imaging solutions that can scan multiple people at the same time. These crowd screening systems have a very high initial cost, but once they're installed, have a very low cost of ownership since they're running automatically. Their appeal is increased by claims about their high level of accuracy. However, there are question marks over how accurate these systems are in real-world conditions. Crowd screening systems use high-resolution thermal images scanning multiple people. This means they're measuring several people, all at different distances, with different heights, and possibly wearing glasses, masks, or hats. In perfectly ideal conditions, these systems may well achieve the accuracy they claim. However, to overcome the background conditions found in the real world, the measurement needs to be checked constantly. This requires a black body temperature reference source in the field of view of each camera, which is rarely used in crowd screening systems today. In addition, even if this is attainable, the different distances between the camera and the people being measured introduces errors into the algorithms being used to calculate the temperature. Inaccuracy not only means that high temperatures may produce false negatives, but also false positives may result, which means healthy people are being stopped. This negates the high throughput advantage of crowd screening systems, as these people will need to be taken aside for further testing. Another issue with the system is that some rely on facial recognition software. This can be useful when integrated into door access systems and other security measures. However, information obtained by facial recognition software raises privacy concerns. It typically requires cloud computing backup, which leads to the question about where the servers are based and how secure they are. The US National Defense Authorization Act, NDAA, already raised privacy concerns over data being stored on overseas servers. This could lead to sanctions. In addition, the FDA has explicitly mandated that only one person at the time should be screened using human body temperature measurement systems, and recommends against the use of mass screening systems. A single-person thermal screening system is recommended. This can be designed to effectively overcome the challenges, delivering highly accurate measurement in real-world conditions, using a black body temperature reference source in the field of view of the camera. Working at a set distance, it can use a software algorithm to deliver the accuracy of 0.5 degrees Celsius or 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit. Thermal imaging can be carried out at a safe distance and can be fully automated to scan the best measurement points on a person's face using face detection, not facial recognition software. Data obtained is kept locally on attached laptop, and the system can be configured to log either all information, over temperature readings, or nothing at all. It gives the user complete control over the data within their privacy protocols with no third-party access. These systems have a significantly lower upfront cost than crowd screening systems, but the same cost of ownership. This means that several systems can be installed within the same budget if throughput is an issue. The ViroAlert 3 is our effective, highly accurate, single-person temperature screening solution for the use of entry and access points. It is safe, easy, and accurate. It removes the human error from the process. It is backed by Ametek Land's extensive expertise, including 17 years of development of human temperature screening. And it meets the current requirements set out by the FDA and similar authorities for this application.